Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to freeze a frame in CapCut on PC. This is a quick and simple way to pause a particular moment in your video. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer. Select the project you want to work on and load your video onto the timeline. Move the playhead or cursor to the exact part of the video that you want to freeze. For example, if you want to freeze a specific frame or image within your video, place the cursor right on that moment. Now, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Freeze. Click on Freeze, and the frame at the selected point will be paused, creating a still image in that section. To adjust the duration of your freeze frame, look at the timeline. You'll see the frozen section highlighted. Click on it, then drag the edge of the freeze frame in the timeline to make it longer or shorter depending on how long you want the frame to stay frozen. And that's it. You've successfully frozen a frame in your CapCut project. This feature is a great way to emphasize a specific moment in your video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.